Welcome back to Romanovich Auto Surgeon. Today, it's gonna be my first time revealing my motorcycle. This is a 2019 Honda CBR600RR. I actually have had this for about maybe a year now. Doing quite a bit of riding. Sadly, I haven't been able to do any videos on it just because I've been really busy with my projects. So finally, here she is. This is a matte black color. Wasn't my favorite color that I ever wanted to go with, or even the style of the face here. If you see my other video back in the day, I had a 2008 Honda CBR600RR with the point face. That's one of my favorite, but it's starting to grow on me. I actually like it. Actually looking at some headlights to maybe change these out for some demon eyes. But today we're gonna do a little bit of modifications. I have already done one modification. Sadly, I didn't get to record it. I have done a delete over there. I'll have to show you in a little bit. But today, I want to get rid of these turn signals. You know, they look okay-ish, but I want to make it so it's nice and flush. I've ordered myself a pack here. This is what they're gonna look like. The new style. From the inside right here. There was two from the inside of this as well. And there's this clip, so you feel like it's stuck on there, but it's actually just a really nice sturdy clip on there that's holding it in there. So yeah, there's two of them right there. This hole and this hole. Then pops out of here, so that's what was the weird part. Got to put this one back in there. Then there's one here, one here. Then this is one from the back side. It's like a little plastic one. Plastic, there you go. Phillips head. There's two of them right there. And then of course you gotta remove these two. And then I removed that one because I thought it was holding it back, but it wasn't. So there you go. And then there was this one clip. You just lift up on this little bracket right there and slides out. And there you go. You got your side turn signal off. It was also being held by this 10mm nut on the back right there. That's why I was able to actually slide it out a little bit further back. Well, there you go. So the way these come, let's look at them a little closer to the one that's out already. So here we go. Hopefully I'm going to try to actually slide this on and see if it'll work, due to the fact not installing these right here. Or these resistors. I already have a resistor modded up for the back side because I have I installed an integrated tail light which has turn signals as well, and it was flashing really fast because, you know, it didn't have any resistance or whatever. I was actually able to slide the actual just turn signal into here, so I'm gonna try it out, see if it'll work. Got the key right here, pretty nice key, matches the bike with the emblem. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. It's working. Let's see. So that side works. There we go. And it's not fast. If this works just like that, that's gonna be awesome. And then we just gotta bolt it on. Don't have to even zip tie anything. Just cover this back. Look at that, OEM. Just this time it's gonna be nice and flush. So I'm gonna figure out which one goes where, as in right and left, and then I'm gonna take the other side off, try to hook it up, and hopefully it works. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Interesting. This is super wrong. They have the hole on the wrong side. I'm gonna have to swap this over. This is what you get whenever you buy off-brand stuff. I was going to buy some on-brand stuff that Suzuki actually sells for these. They sell delete mirrors, and they have on here, they actually have the turn signals on them, which were really awesome. They were beautiful. I wish I actually could get those, but they have not made those for Honda, so they wouldn't work for me whatsoever.
2,000 years later.
So for this to go in and be flush, it has to go in like this. The only way for this to work is I would have to put this piece back on. This sits on the other side of the rubber, but the actual bolt itself is not long enough to make it through. See, stop. To make it through all the way, okay? And since it's glued on there and I can't remove it, I'm having to actually cut a piece of this black plastic. Let me get this out. Okay, I'll leave it there. I'm having to cut this down to about halfway. That way the bolt can actually stick all the way through here. And I'm having to cut this black housing. After it is cut, I'm actually able to push it far enough down to actually put the screw on and mount it. And if I don't cut it, it will not be flush like that. So, gonna be a little bit of extra work, but it'll work. All right, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of me installing this, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so there you go. She is pieced on. Look at that nice little sleek look. Personally, I love that. Very nice, very clean. So let's go ahead and try it on. I might have to hook up the other side just so this doesn't blink fast. But let's try it. Look at that. There goes the light. Beautiful, beautiful. And let's see the turn signal. Gotta go on the other side. Oh yes, I love it. That is sweet. Check that out. Beautiful, beautiful look. Gorgeous. I usually run with the high beams on. Sorry about that. Let me turn that off real quick. Oh yeah, but I didn't show you guys. This thing only has, let's see, can you see that? 3,123. I got it when it was only 1,500. So obviously I put some miles on. Try it again right there. Check that out. Gorgeous. Love it. So excited. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. Zeke is definitely really tired, so catch you guys in the morning. All right, welcome back. Today is the next day. Here's the other one. It's looking beautiful. I personally love it a lot. It definitely cleans up the look. Super gorgeous. I think the next thing that we got to do to make this thing just about 100% done for what I want to do for now. Change these out. These are the stocks, obviously. Stock clutches. Stock front brake. I'm actually swapping it out for this right here. MZS. Let's see if this thing will open. Come on. Perfect. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that polished finish. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I think this is gonna make it look sweet. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, he's got to inspect every single package, so I gotta show it to him. I can't get away with that. Here's the other one. There you go. Go ahead. Good boy, Zeke. Is it a bomb? You like it? Okay, so it's approved. Sweet. The lick means it's approved. So we got to swap all this out. This is super, super exciting. Gosh, looks beautiful. Definitely going to match the red accents that it has on the bike. You know, the red Honda sticker right there, the CBR, and the Honda underneath. It's going to look so nice. I mean, look at that. Oh, man. Definitely going to change the look of this bike. So let's go ahead and start tearing these down. It doesn't look like it's too difficult. Should be just that flathead right there. That adjuster for the clutch cable. And should slide right out. Yeah, seems pretty simple. Get the screw through there. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and try to remove this right here. And swap these out. See how nice they look. All right, same thing over here on this side. It was just flathead holding it in. Pull that out. There was a little nut on the bottom. So question, do these holes remotely line up? This will tell us. Ooh, that actually is gonna work. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know why they made this one perfect without even having to remove this bearing here, or bushing, however you want to call it. So I don't have to remove that. I can just install this right here because it already has a sleeve on this bolt. As you see right there, it slides on that perfectly. So that is super awesome. I'm excited. This should fit 100% snug. So this should work. So let's go ahead and install this back on there. And yeah, but these are super, super simple to swap out. Literally, like I said, just one bolt that goes through here all the way down. And this just slides right off. So let me go ahead and put that on. All right, so the issue we're having right now is this not fitting up. So I took the little piece out. Here we go, a little sleeve. It actually makes the perfect fitment for this old one. That's what makes it nice and tight in there and doesn't give that weird wobble. Sadly, this hole is bigger and this is too big to fit in the new one. Okay, so the issue we're coming up with now is that play. It functions, it deactivates like all the way out here. I'm gonna have to tension it a little bit. But I don't like this wobble whatsoever. I'm gonna have to go and find a sleeve that'll fit exactly this clutch lever. Otherwise, I'm gonna get frustrated with that. Almost feel like it's about to fall off. So I want to make it nice and tight. We can try the other side. I don't know if it's gonna be the same. Hopefully, it'll actually match up, because that would suck if it doesn't. It's just that one right there. So let's go ahead and get it off, and hopefully we can make this one work. All right, so I want to show you exactly what I'm doing here. Just took out this flathead. Had a small 10mm on the back of it. There we go, you take it out. You will loosen this up just a hair just to be able to turn this so the cable can come out. There you go, it's pretty much out. We just turn it a little bit right there. Makes that, boom, wires out. Probably gonna be the fastest, easiest swap ever. All right, so this one's nicely greased up. I wonder if I need to take that little bushing out. Yeah, I think so, because otherwise it'll be a little too big for it. So let me go and press this out real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so it turns out this actually makes it to the perfect size. And the nut is such a nice snug fit, we have to press it a little bit. But that'll work perfect for us, so let's go ahead and install it. Now I gotta retighten all this back up, and we can definitely go for a test ride later. love it that it's not all the way out there. See, this one, you need a little bit more work. This one, barely any work. So if you guys enjoyed this little video, make sure to tap that subscribe button because we have plenty more videos coming in with this beast. I do have a setup for vlogging, so I'm definitely going to be taking you guys for a ride up some sweet mountains. We have the Dragon's Tail down here as well, out in Tennessee. So I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.